15 herbs you should be growing for your tea garden. And yes, some of them may be considered weeds, but they're actually really good for you. All kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we can all use a little more of the old ways these days. Be sure to check out our apothecary series. I know you're going to like it. Tulsi, which is also called holy basil. Passion flower vine, which doesn't grow here. I've tried 3 times. I have not managed to get it to grow in my northern climate, but you do that in your southern climate. And lemon balm. Honestly, if I could only grow one for tea, this would be my one. And bee balm. Technically, mullein's a weed, but I love to have it in my home apothecary. Meadowsweet. Stinging nettle. This thing is so packed with nutrients, it's worth the little danger of having it in your tea garden. Calendula. This is another powerhouse of good things to have in your garden. Thyme. There's never enough thyme. And it's one thing that I could harvest really, really late into the year in my northern garden. Echinacea. The Native Americans in our area used all parts of this plant to make a tea for antiviral. And peppermint. This will take over everywhere in your garden, so please contain it when you plant it. Like, subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification button so you don't miss another episode. So many great foodie videos coming out this year. Plus, check out my collection of videos. I have an apothecary series, I have a canning series, I have a gardening series. You'll love them.